Hey guys, today we're going to do, of course, the cinnamon challenge. I'm really scared because the reactions of other people, it's like weird, and then spoons, and that's why I have a toilet right here.
Oh God.
But we're gonna put the cinnamon right there. So.
Okay.
And I like cinnamon actually. It's pretty good.
That's what everybody says, and then
No,
we try that.
I'm dead serious.
I like cinnamon, but not that much.
It's like too much.
Like on the bread, honey bun, whatever.
I actually found this on my mommy's cabinet because I was doubting that we had no cinnamon because my mommy doesn't
Really use cinnamon. Oh shit. Are you fucking kidding me? Espérate.
No, good there. That's it. I told you. Bon appetit.
You know that's a little bit from different what people use.
It's okay there.
Okay there.
What are you doing?
It's okay there. Oh my God.
Just put it in one place. 2. I can't.
Okay. You have to swallow it.
If my mom is sleeping, I don't know how much noise I'm gonna do, but
Okay.
1, 2,
3.
3. He can't do it.
Look at the toilet. Okay, 1. Ew.
It's better not to touch that because my brother pees and my daddy. So.
1, 2. We need some water.
No, first. Pause the video.
We're back. We got our water bottles. Oh my God. Okay, 1.
Look at the toilet.
Whatever.
Okay.
1, 2.
Casi.
1. 2. 3.
Would you try this again?
Oh shit, I got some in my damn throat.
At the beginning, it's not that bad though.
Look at my water bottle. Ew. That is disgusting. Oh God.
Look at the toilet. I'm gonna do this again.
I'm gonna do the spice challenge. That's what I'm gonna do. Yo, I swear I was gonna pee on my pants. Oh my God.
That's why I peed before this. Okay, I'm gonna do this a second try, but
I
only a little
should too.
bit.
Come.
I'm only doing.
I'm gonna try to swallow it.
Cause I didn't even try to swallow it. I was trying to like make it.
Really? Y'all was swallowing it.
Okay.
Oh my God, look at the toilet.
We need to clean this up.
Alright.
I don't think you guys want to watch this, but we'll show you later.
1.
Wait, let me just get my water bottle ready. Because we were beasting.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ah!
I'm trying to swallow it.
I can't. I can't swallow this.
I'm trying to build up saliva.
I can't swallow that shit. Ew. I still have some in my mouth. Hold on, let me try to swallow it. Oh crap, I got some in my throat. See, you can't. Nobody could beat the record.
I did it.
Holy crap. Show me.
It's actually not that bad.
It's not, but it's freaking ill.
It's freaking ill. I'm gonna try to do like an instant one. Because people will do instant ones. So I'm gonna see how it feels like. You were suffering. You were like...
No, I wasn't. Is that, like, I got some and it came a ball, like a ball. It was ill.
You wanna try it?
Yeah. We freaking beasting. Yo, we freaking gotta clean this up.
Yeah, I'm gonna show them.
Son, this is like a little bit.
Yeah, because I want to see how it feels like. Because I did it, so.
Yeah, she actually did it.
So
but
one.
you didn't do a lot.
1, 2, 3.
I had to burp.
Oh, shoot.
Ew.
It burns.
See?
I burned my tongue.
Ass.
I can't swallow it. My water is dirty. Oh, okay. This water is